Hi, I'm Brian Pfeiffer, aka the Marketing Meathead, and today I'm going to give you a quick update on the campaign that I launched yesterday, and the ad got approved today, and going to give everyone an update. All right, guys, here we go. So take a look at this was my ad that I approved, or that got approved. I had to fill out a little thing saying that I was not discriminatory or something, kind of a new thing in Facebook. I hadn't even seen that before. Anyway, we spent $27.77 today on this particular ad, and let's see if there's anything else here of significance. My calls per result, I had one lead at $27.77. And my relevance score is at 8. We'll dive a little bit deeper into this once I get some more data. But let's take a look. Look at that, guys. We had one conversion. So pretty dang good, huh? $45 payout on that. I spent, $27.77. Obviously it's, one conversion, so it, could be a fluke. It's not, it's not stable by any means, but, it's kind of exciting. You know what I'm saying? I showed you guys a full setup. I literally gave you the copy. I gave you, I showed you the image I was using. I showed you guys the full setup, basically in under an hour. And, I made, what did we make? About $18 profit today. So not too bad. Showing you guys real working stuff, which is pretty cool, completely for free. So, that's my update for today, guys. I really didn't have anything. It is Friday evening, and I'm sure everyone's got some fun stuff to do tonight. I'm going to be up working on Infusionsoft campaigns, building out my 2018 automation. But other than that, Meathead is out. Hope you guys have a great weekend. I'm actually on my way in a few minutes to go see Ronnie Sandlin and get the multi-million-dollar interview from him for tomorrow's YouTube. So enjoy, guys. Have a good evening. We'll talk to you later. Thanks.